Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and in this video I'm going to show you how I refresh second day hair that's been worked out on also using new products by Curlsmith, including the Moisture Memory Reactivator and the Hold Me Softly Styling Balm. I also went in with a couple other Curlsmith products just on the ends and stuff, so continue watching and you'll see. Hey guys, we're going to refresh this hair that clearly needs some help. This is day 2 hair. I did an intense workout. I sweat. I already put a little dry shampoo on my scalp, but we're going to feature 2 new products by Curlsmith that are amazing. Like the rest of the line, they are silicone, sulfate, paraben free, nothing bad in them, all organic, crazy good ingredients that help your hair to grow long and strong, healthy, helps the scalp, and I've really fallen in love with both of these for wet and dry hair. And also what I have on hand, just because you could see my front hairline pieces are very frizzy and need a little extra help, I do have their curl defining styling souffle just to help with the humidity, my hairline and my ends. Just tackle it a little bit more. It needs a little more hold. If you do want to see another Curlsmith demo, I'll post the video link below to what I did a few months ago using the Core 4 Curlsmith products that originally came out, which include that souffle, the oil and cream, the serum, as well as the co-wash, which is my favorite co-wash of all time. But yeah, so we could see, to refresh on a day like today where I do have some frizz and just needs a little help, I am going to be parting my hair in sections. So first we're going to go in with the Reactivator, and this stuff I love. I shake it. I don't know if it's said to shake it. I just get in the habit. You can spray it directly on the hand, on the hair. I do like putting it into my hair, so I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, rub it together. There's just some frizz today. Depending on how much help my hair needs, I'll use more or less. But even this alone, oh my god, this smells so good. Just, if you could check out the difference in frizz with what I just sprayed versus what I didn't. Again, the ends need a trim, I know, happening next week. 1, 2, 3, do the other side. It just helps to add bounce, shine, softness, and really tackle that frizz. Since humidity is like 1000%, I am going on with a tiny bit of the styling balm. And when I say I don't use much of this at all, for my thick, high porosity hair, I'm going in with just this much. For both of these sections, I start where it needs it most, and then I just run it through. You can scrunch if you want to encourage curl definition. Lately I've been more about elongating and having my hair look as long as possible, which is why I'm not scrunching the product in. I mean, it's a personal preference. And if you do like my Disney Princess t-shirt I am wearing, I got it off a website called Once Upon a Tea. It has every Disney princess in it, including Lady from Lady and the Tramp, so I had to have it. So now I'm just going to go on to these sides here. Again, I did 4 sprays, concentrating it on the ends and these dry pieces near my head. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how much you spray and use is definitely based on your texture, how dry your hair is looking, if your hair is fine or not. And it's really all about experimentation and trial and error. And anytime I talk about hair stuff, I always say every single head of hair is different, so really you have to see what works for you. Going on with this little bit for both sides again. Usually I am pretty heavy-handed with products, but the Curlsmith line is just so potent and so nice and rich that you really don't need a lot. If you use too much, it will be too much, even for thirsty hair like mine. This part I can't wait to trim because it clearly needs it. Okay, so we did these sides. See, this guy, I'm gonna tackle this with that souffle in a little bit. Going in. And there are days too, if it's not as humid, I could use the spray alone and I don't necessarily need to follow it up with the balm. Go here, do the back. I just sprayed it outwards, so I had to do an extra spray. Getting all the back. Going with the balm. I'm going to use just a little bit more in the back, because the back sometimes does get a little frizzy towards the ends. Hopefully you guys can see this. Like that. But the bounce, the definition, the lack of frizz that these Curlsmith products give, I'm telling you, it's one of my favorite lines for a reason. So now we're going to go in with the monstrosity called my hairline pieces. Shaking it. I actually double the amount of sprays because these hairline pieces just need extra help. Lately I've been styling them like this, bringing them in front. Don't know what made me change. Okay, going balm, and I do use a little extra balm in the front too. This scent, I can't even like describe how amazing and delicious and fresh it is. So go like that, peekaboo. Fix my part how I like it. Go like that. Then like this too. I actually like that this looks a little stretched out from tying my hair back because usually the front pieces look a little weird. Now I'm just going to go in with the souffle right here. We're just going to put a little extra. So that's what I use this quite a bit. That's too much. See, it's like jelly. With this souffle too, a tip is you really want to emulsify it and rub it between your hands before applying it to your hair. Otherwise, it's just, I don't know, it doesn't like apply right and some gets wasted. Kind of just, I did a little bit towards the rest of my lens too, just since it is so humid out. But really focusing on these guys. There we go. So yeah, I mean that's it. It's really quick. Let me show you the back. I'm going to let this set for a little bit, just so you know products have to set, and then I'll show you once it's all set and dry and stuff. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you my hair once the product set in. It is a lot less frizzy, it's shinier, it definitely looks more manageable. My hairline pieces, the ends just need a trim, so until that happens, there's not much I could do for this over here, and I've just accepted that. But I really like the definition. It's so soft. I'm trying not to touch it too much because that will only encourage more frizz. But for such a humid day, and I actually ran outside to get my mail and walk my dog, it is holding up really well. I'm really impressed. And then this is the back. Really impressed. And what's more to this is, if you know me, if you follow me, you're familiar with like my hair and everything, you know how I really love like hard firm gels on day one washed hair. When I did wash my hair yesterday, I did not use a firm hold gel. What I did yesterday is, after I washed, I actually went in, I used the Moisture Memory Reactivator, used the styling balm, and then used the intensive serum by Curlsmith on top and air dried. So that's even more impressive, and that just goes to show you how well this line works and how great the products are. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this demo tutorial. I'm like playing with my hair a little judge. Hopefully you liked it. If you've tried Curlsmith, let me know. If you want to check them out, curlsmith.com. Ulta has them too. And they have a promo code for the rest of August. You could save 20% using, I think the code is August. I will post that below. But if you found this helpful, please thumbs up, like, comments, subscribe. It would mean so much. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.